Recent events have altered our real estate market, placing an emphasis on social distancing and in turn creating a technological revolution for us agents. As promised, I intend to be one of tomorrow's leaders by strongly investing in the future today. With that said, I'd like to introduce you to Matterport, the answer to today's digital demand in real estate. This immersive media 4K 3D platform allows users to step into a residence and experience a realistic sense of the space from the comforts of their very own home. Easy to navigate, prospective buyers and renters from millennials to baby boomers will now be able to conduct self-directed walkthroughs of properties at their own pace, exploring the entire space, focusing on the details important to them. The 4K technology, which actually outshines almost every virtual and 3D tour competitor, offers the viewer outstanding accuracy and true-to-life detail. Without being on a showing schedule, viewers can take as much time as they want to explore a home and revisit as often as they like. For sellers and landlords, this means more showings and longer showings without ever even opening the front door.
What I love about Matterport is it's truly an honest marketing tool. I've had my eyes on it since it came out, but it was then and it still is a costly investment. In fact, only a few other realtors in Broward County offer the service, and generally it's hired out and reserved for exclusive listings. But now, by my investing in Matterport and its technology, I'm able to offer a premium service level, not just to select customers and clients, but to all my customers and clients. I'm able to offer sellers the ability to show their homes without making them uncomfortable. And no longer is that a luxury, it's really a necessity.
Adding Matterport technology to an already extensive value proposition, starting with the global reach of Remax, a comprehensive list of modern marketing disciplines including continuous targeted syndication, multi-platform social media campaigns, and room-by-room staging and design is the experience, the tools, and the know-how offered by me. Yes, get more than a realtor. Get more than a broker. Get a unique blueprint where real estate agency meets marketing agency. Get Tomi Kuczynski of Remax experience. Let's get your home sold.